Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. We're making chicken breast. Heinz 57 chicken breast. We have some just regular boneless and skinless chicken breast, and we're going to grill these up. Now we're going to coat the chicken with 1/8 cup of spices, 1/4 cup of Heinz 57 sauce, steak sauce, and 1 big spoonful of regular mayonnaise. And just stir that up. And this is what we're going to put on the chicken. Simple. I'll put the recipe for my rub down below, but any good chicken rub will do. Alright, we got this nice and stirred up, just like that. Nothing to it. Let's get that chicken out, and then we just apply the spread, our coating, to the chicken, just like this. Actually, it's easier to just go ahead and use your hands, so I'm going to do that. Get a nice coating all over the chicken, rub it in. Just like that, no problem. Let me go rinse my hands. Now we'll take it out to the grill. I've got it preheated, nice and hot, 350 degrees. And in they go. And we're going to let them cook for 15 minutes, exactly 15 minutes. So note the time, and after 15 minutes we're ready to flip them over. If I can get a hold of them, we'll just turn them over, and I'm going to put the thermometer in, temperature probe, because that's so important, right here in the middle. And we're going to cook until it reaches 165 degrees exactly. As soon as it reaches that temperature, they're ready. So we'll turn that off and take them out. They're done. It's really important to use a temperature gauge so you don't overcook the chicken. The hardest thing is to keep them from drying out, and there's nothing worse than a dried out piece of chicken breast. But I think these are going to be all right. Let's take a look. And you want to serve them right away. The best thing to do is have the chicken the last thing to come in the meal, and have everyone waiting, and you just bring the chicken in and serve it and let them begin eating. Oh, look at that. Smells wonderful. Nice and juicy and tender and hot. Very tasty. I like it. I think you will too. Look at how juicy that is. Well, I need another taste of this. Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you try this recipe. It really works well if you like a nice, juicy chicken breast. Take care. See you next time. Bye now.